Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today we are unpacking the stunning Honeybee 2024 2 kilo silver antique high relief coin designed by Jennifer McKenna. Housed inside a new beautiful presentation case within a themed shipper, this spectacular coin is accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity. Once inside, you will find the superbly crafted antique coin. This grand 2 kilo Australian legal tender coin is struck from 99.99% pure silver and features individual edge lettering to display its unique number in the mintage, further enhancing the elaborate and intricate design. The design also includes the inscription Honeybee, the P125th mint mark, and features the Dan Thorne effigy of His Majesty King Charles III on its obverse along with its monetary denomination. Known for their teamwork and dedication, the humble honeybee is portrayed amongst a field in full bloom and intricate detail with the added depth of a high relief strike and antique finish. Expected to be highly sought after with an extremely limited mintage of only 200, we recommend ordering soon either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com before this coin disappears.